For a person like you and I, it is important to know where does our help come from, so that singabhakazi in the day of adversity, singabhakazi when the day comes, usuku lasidinga khona usizo comes, then our arsenals are ready. Because the enemy is also not sleeping. We can just be fully honest about that. The enemy is not sleeping. He's on an assignment. Eyokuthi, he's there to kill, to steal, and to destroy. It's so sad ukuthi sometimes when that day comes, we refer to other things. We seek help from our neighbor. We seek help from so and so. We seek help from these secret places. Where is this help, man? There's help available, man. Uthi Davide ngiphakamisela amehlo ami ey'ntabeni, athi usizo lami luvelaphi na? Azoyiphendula yena fani, athi luvela kuJehova. Wenzeni lo Jehova? Ngizokubuza mina David. Athi owakhile izulu nomhlaba, meaning if he has created the heavens and the earth, yini engamhlula? Lithi iBhayibheli umhlaba uyisenabelo zey'nyawo zakhe, and then heaven is his throne. Athi akayikuvuma unyawo lwami lushelele. And so meaning that's confidence right there. He knows ukuthi, okay, I know where my help comes from, and I know who is this that I'm referring to. What is his credibility? What has he done before? And so I'm certain ukuthi nana there are some things angekavuma ukuthi zenzeke kumina. Uthi akayikuvuma ukuthi unyawo lwami lishelele. Unyawo lami akayikuvuma ukuthi lishelele. Athi okulondolozayo akayikuzela. Sazi ngani ukuthi akayikuzela? Sibuka uIsrael in the following verse. Uthi olondoloza uIsrael akozela kalali. Sazi ngani ukuthi akozela kalali? Uzothi uzokulondoloza emini abe yinsika yefu, ebusuku abe yinsika yomlilo. Simbone lapho ukuthi akozeli, ubusy full time. Athi usilwela izitha zethu whilst we are asleep. And so we know where our help comes from, and by the virtue of this information, we can then relax. We know where our help comes from. And so we are certain we can fold our arms. We have a God who has done all these miraculous things. Athi usizo lami livelaphi? Athi livela kuJehova owakhile izulu nomhlaba. Akayikuvuma ukuthi unyawo lami, uJehova akayikuvuma, uyangilondoloza. Uthi ongilondolozayo akayikuvuma ukuthi unyawo lami lishelele. Lo londoloza mina akozela kalali. Lalibuka uIsrael. Because uIsrael phela uyisibuko sethu. And so looking at what he did for them, no man, this God does not sleep. No man, he does not slumber. He watches over us day and night. Akavuma unyawo lami liqhuzuke. Akavuma usenda his angels. Psalm 91 angibambe ngesandla, so that I will not set my foot on the rock. Hayi mina indaba yami namanje sisayikhuluma. We know where our help comes from, and once we know that, then we know not to depend on ourselves. Our wisdom doesn't get us far. Wisdom does not get us far. We know